Cal Poly has an animal and veterinary science program. That's unusual from standard animal science programs in that we do have a very clinically focused curriculum that helps students understand not only animal health and husbandry, but also the clinical applications of that.
So I chose the animal science program at Cal Poly Pomona because I want to become a veterinarian, but also because I knew the animal science program here had so many hands-on opportunities for the students to learn from.
Cal Poly Pomona is unique in the sense that it's a polytechnic university. There's a very heavy emphasis on hands-on experiences.
I feel in other universities or other settings, or even some other colleges on the campus, wouldn't get an opportunity to do, where we get to interact with live animals.
Whether it was working in a clinic or vet interviews, having that hands-on experience and actually being surrounded and being immersed in what I'm going to be doing, or what I want to do for the rest of my life was, I can't even put words to it. It was so incredible and it helped so much.
Getting to teach classes in canine handling and restraint and feline handling and restraint gives us an opportunity to teach the students a lot about companion animal care too, and a lot of other universities don't offer that.
In Southern California, there are not a lot of opportunities to be able to have the amount of hands-on experience that students are able to gain here. And because of that and the resources we have here at Cal Poly, we've been able to even transcend our location to be a really pillar in animal science.
The students will take classes or do internships or end up in voluntary situations where they can go out and work with the baby piglets or the sheep unit. Students are involved in foal watch, for example, where our mares are bred every year, and when they're getting close to foaling, students will be assigned to those horses.
When you come to Cal Poly, you're not just going to work with horses, you're not just going to work with cattle, you're not just going to see some sheep and some goats and some swine, you're going to see all of that, and you're going to get exposure to be able to handle, work with, know how to approach all of those species in addition to your companion animals, your exotic animals.
They encouraged and they sent out many emails offering internships at local clinics around.
There's jobs here, there's research opportunities, and you can invest your time in these certain species and learn more about them and develop your skills and comfort before you go on to vet school or wherever you're going to go.
I would come to the clinic and my fellow employees and workers were surprised at the amount of knowledge that I knew, and that such a simple thing like restraining wasn't new to a second-year student.
They want to have the animal handling experience. They may be interested in careers in industry. They may want to work in animal nutrition, animal training, animal handling, ranch jobs, work for wildlife services, fish and game.
They can work in quality control. They can work in food safety, meat inspectors. And they can go to graduate school to do masters and PhDs.
In addition to that, we have partnerships with USDA, California Department of Agriculture, food nutrition companies for animals.
Or for APHIS, the Animal Plant Health Inspection Services. Those are two industries that do a lot of internships and are always interested in Cal Poly students.
Who know the Cal Poly reputation and know that students who leave here are generally day one ready.
All of the professors that I've ever needed were always there when I needed them, whether it was from just simple studying to mock interviews for vet school. With the help of Cal Poly, I was able to get into UC Davis, which is really exciting. And if that's not a testament to how great Cal Poly is, that they're sending students to the #1 vet school in the world, then I don't know what is.